Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to fix age verification on X. Now, the first thing you have to do is to log into your X app. The next is to click on profile icon found at top left corner. Click on the profile icon itself. So it's going to take you to this page where you have to click on edit profile. From here, you can now edit your age to the particular age you want it to be. I click on OK. Having done that, but make sure it's minimum of 13 to 18 years depending on the region you are and the minimum age that your Twitter in that region demands from you. Now the next thing you have to do is to go back. So when you go back, you click on the profile again, click on settings and privacy. So from here, you're going to see your account. Click on it. From this section, you click on account information. From here, if you have any reason to complete your age verification or do age verification, X is going to signify it here. X is going to pop it out from this section. So if you require to complete your age verification, you'll be needing a valid government issued ID alongside with a clear selfie on a lighted environment. Also, make sure your email address is verified because it can also aid to resolve this issue if you are fixing one. So guys, that is it on how to fix age verification on Twitter. If this helps, please do well to drop all your comments on the comment section. Thanks for watching.